Children, let us solve the question number 3 of problem set 2 Pythagoras theorem. Many things in this, children, are given to us already. Triangle RST is a right angle triangle and the measure of angle RST is equal to 90 degree, already given to us, and also given RTS is equal to 30 degrees, children, and RT is equal to 12 centimeters. They are asking us to find RS and ST as well. So let us start doing it. Solution. Let us do it stepwise, children. First of all, let us find the third angle by we know the angle sum property of a triangle. What do we have? We have RST plus SRT plus RTS is equal to 180 degree. RST is already given as 90. We don't know SRT needed to be found. Plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degree. Hence SRT plus 120 is 180, and therefore we found the third angle is equal to 60 degrees. Let us keep it with us. Okay. Now see the step 2. Now we have to find RS. So by 30, 60, 90 degree theorem, what do we have? We have the side opposite to 30 degrees. Side opposite to 30 degree is equal to RS. Hypotenuse is equal to RT. Therefore, the side is equal to 1/2 hypotenuse. So put the value. Side is RS is equal to 1/2 multiplied by 12. That is 6 centimeters. So we got RS is equal to 6 centimeters. Similar manner, if we want to find ST, because already we found R is equal to 60 degree. So again by the same theorem, 30, 60, 90 theorem, what do we have? Side opposite to 60 degrees is equal to ST, and same the hypotenuse is equal to RT. Hence side, how do we get? If it is 60 degree, we have √3/2 hypotenuse. That is ST is equal to √3/2. Hypotenuse is 12. Let's do the cancellations, and you got ST is equal to 6√3 centimeters. Alright, children. Now let us see question number 4. What all things are given to us? Already given that the quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle, children. If it is a rectangle, remember opposite sides are equal and each angle is a right angle. So these are the conditions of a rectangle. And also given AB is equal to 16 centimeters as well as area of the rectangle is given to us as 192 centimeters square. So what do we have to find is the diagonal, children. To find is the diagonal. AC is equal to how much? So let us see. We know the area of the rectangle is equal to AB multiplied by BC, AB multiplied by BC, that is the area of a rectangle, that is length into breadth. So you have to write it in the brackets, length into breadth. Alright, AB is given to us as 16, BC is not given, and the area is already given to us as 192 centimeters square. Therefore 16 is being multiplied over there. Take it to the left hand side, you will get the division. So hence BC is equal to, if you divide you will get 12. Alright, now once we got BC means we can get the rest. So this is the step 1 of the solution. Now let us see step 2 and what the step 2 says. Because of the diagonal we got two triangle, children, and both the triangles will be right angle triangles. And these right angle triangles, when we get, immediately we have to understand we have the Pythagoras theorem, in which hypotenuse square is equal to side 1 the square plus side 2 the square. So in triangle ABC, angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. And what is the reason? Angle of a rectangle each 90 degree. Fine. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem we have, what do we have? It says, the Pythagoras theorem says the hypotenuse the square is equal to side 1 the square plus side 2 the square. And here hypotenuse is opposite to the right angle AC. Therefore AC the square is equal to, the sides are AB and BC. So AC we need to find, but AB already we have as 16 the square, and BC we found it as 12 the square. That gives us 256 plus 144, which is equal to 400. Hence AC is equal to square root of 400, that is equal to 20 centimeters. Hence you have to write the final answer, children. Diagonal of the rectangle is 20 centimeters. The final answer is compulsory, children. Alright, see the question number 5. What is given? The fifth one is given. Already it is an equilateral triangle, children. Given to us that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. And what do you mean by equilateral triangle? Means all sides are equal to each other in length. Alright, that means AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. Already it is given to us. And height is given, children. height is given AD, let us take it as AD is equal to root 3 centimeters, and because it is an height, therefore we have side segment AD perpendicular to side BC. Alright, hence let us start solving it. What we need to find is length of the side and the perimeter we need to find. So let us start doing. This is a step 1. In triangle ADB, let us take the triangle ADB. What do we have? Angle ADB is equal to 90 degree, already given to us. What is the reason for this? This is given to us. And angle ABD is equal to 60 degrees. Why? Because it is the angle of an equilateral triangle, children. In an equilateral triangle, each angle is 60 degrees. Alright. Now therefore, if we go to see, what about the third angle? So if we see this only BAD, children, BAD. So BAD plus ABD plus ADB is equal to 180 degree. And what is the reason? That is a angle sum property of a triangle, children. We have all the three angles when added up is equal to 180 degree. BAD still we have to find, and ABD we already know it is the angle of an equilateral triangle 60 degrees, and ADB is 90. So BAD will be equal to 90 plus 60 is 150, and BAD is equal to 180 minus 150, that is equal to 30 degrees. So we got the triangle. Step 2, ADB as a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So this gives us many things. We can find BD as the opposite side to the angle 30 degrees. Hence, even we can find AD also, opposite side to the angle 60 degrees. AD is equal to root 3 upon 2 AB. Why? Because it is a side opposite to 60 degrees. So side opposite to 60 degrees will give us what? AB is already given to us. If it is AD is already given to us, not AB. AD is already given to us as root 3. So 2 multiplied by root 3 upon root 3 is equal to AB. Hence, AB is equal to 2 centimeters. Therefore, the perimeter of the triangle will be sum of all the sides, or because it is an equilateral triangle, so 3 multiplied by sum of all the sides, or even we can say 3 multiplied by side is equal to 6 centimeters, and your answer.